Hi, Joe.
How's it going? So today I acquired a broken branch from a Magnolia grandiflora, so southern magnolia. This is the BLE, broadleaf evergreen, and we're going to take some cuttings from it. So first of all, off the bigger branch, I cut a smaller piece off, more of the new growth, and these leaves are on it, so I removed these leaves, and then what was left I cut in half. And then what I have here is Pro Mix HP. You can use Sunshine Mix 4, basically peat moss with a lot of perlite in it.
Yeah.
And just a container that had humus in it, which works fine. Moisten the soil, and then I'm going to dip it into a, this is a number 2, I think, root stimulator. Number 1, this is a number 1 root stimulator.
See the bottle? Just hold it up.
Root stim.
Oh, yeah.
You should actually pour this onto a piece of paper or something and do it that way so you don't contaminate it, but I really don't care.
Yeah.
So we're going to push that in like that.
Sometimes it helps to slice the end, split the end of the woody.
I did cut it.
Open.
I did
Good.
do a fresh cut.
Good.
And then we're going to take, I think this one off here too. We'll go here. We'll see if this works, okay? I mean, I started 20 Magnolia macrophylla cuttings from the large leaf magnolia. They're sitting in a bigger pot with a plastic bag over top of them, and they were tip cuttings, so here.
Oh, there's the, is that the eagle?
To watch the eagle. And then here, just cut that there. Actually, I can cut that a little bit smaller. And then we're just going to stick this in here. And if they take, they take. If they don't, you'll stay tuned for another video and see if they actually made it.
I started my hydrangeas like that last year.
This actually
It's
seems
a great way to do it.
Seems to work pretty
and
well.
by putting the little glass jar over it, it's like a little greenhouse.
Can we go like this?
Yeah.
Like that.
So it sort of waters it.
Well, it keeps it moist too.
Yeah. That's
Actually, you
right.
know what I should do is put these closer.
Put them closer. They'll be too, yeah.
Put them much closer, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And if they take, they take. If they don't, it's not the end of the world. You know what? I should actually cut that one in half too.
Yep.
This one here.
So what that does is it gives more energy to the roots, not so much to the leaves.
Okay, so there. And the Schefflera that I took a cutting from looks like it is growing now.
Right.
Okay, so there's the little greenhouse over top. We're going to put this in the house where it's really warm.
Right.
And hopefully it'll root in there. I don't know. I mean, I could try starting this one too.
Yeah, I would.
I'll
Why
just
not?
put a rooting hormone on it,
as well.
and I'll stick it in the ground. Or do you want to try it? Put it inside somewhere?
Yeah, maybe put it inside in one of the house plants. But
It might work. I don't know.
yeah.
I love magnolias.
And also try splitting the end, not just cutting it, but take a slice up the center of it. That's what you do with roses. And because it's a woody stalk.
I've grown magnolias from seed before. We have some nice ones in our garden. Matter of fact, the name of our B&B is Magnolia Petal. We have a lot of magnolias here. So this is Magnolia Petal B&B. And we'll just add another one here. So what do you mean, slice it like this?
Yeah, the bottom. Yeah, just
like this.
Yeah, he doesn't care.
Well, I don't care. This is just an extra piece left over. If it, you know, I should actually cut more branches off of it, more leaves.
Yeah.
There's too many on there.
Yep. That's good. Nope, that's enough.
Okay, so we'll dip this in here. Then you can stick this in one of your house plants. That's yours.
Okay, we'll put this one inside.
We'll see which ones take. Watch, yours will probably take in mine.